Welcome to my channel. So this is a eyebrow tutorial. It should be very easy. The first pomade I show you was my LA Girl gel eyeliner in dark brown. That's what I used to use by itself. Now I'm showing you the brown pomade gel eyeliner from LA Girl. So I'm starting with the brown pomade and then I am going to use the dark brown. Let's get started. So I use that brush. It's a angled brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. I'm just brushing through my brows, making them upright before I start applying the pomade on the brow. So this is the light brown, or should I say brown pomade in gel eyeliner from LA Girl. I'm just tapping my brush into it. I'm not taking up a lot, see, just a small amount. And I'm gonna start to shape the brows. It was kind of hard for me to get it on camera, but hopefully you guys are seeing. I'm not sure if I can zoom. I'm using my phone to record and it's my Android phone I'm using. Hopefully you guys are seeing it clearly. So I just continue. I start from the center of the brow and then I make the arch. That way I already have an outline of the shape that I want to give my brow. As you can see, I already have hairs, eyebrow hairs. I'm just lacking mostly a tail, so the arch basically. And I am using gentle strokes to do this because I don't want to mess up the shape, so that when I go in with concealer it's easier for me to get a shape. So see there, I'm almost finished using the light brown on that brow. So then I'm gonna do the other brow. I did the other brow using the brown eyeliner. Now I'm going with the dark brown and you'll see I'm just touching a little on the brush as well. And I'm basically going to start at the tail of my brows. So I basically did the same thing with the dark brown, but put it mostly on the tail of my eyebrow. I could not record it properly, so I had to cut out the parts where I was applying the dark brown, but it's the same concept. I'm now still using the dark brown and just making the shape that I want. I'm just perfecting. I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes down to my brows because I think without a proper eyebrow the makeup doesn't come together. Now I'm using my matte foundation from CoverGirl. I don't like this foundation. It doesn't have any much pigment. It was basically just thin, watery. Even though they say it's full coverage, it was not full coverage, and I didn't like using it for my eyebrow. I just was trying something different, but anyways it worked out. I am using a flat brush to, what I say now, carve out the brows properly using the foundation. Normally we use concealer for this, but you can also use your foundation if you wish. So as long as you're getting to shape out your brows, it doesn't matter what you use. In makeup, yes, there are rules, but you don't necessarily have to use the foundation for just an all over face. You can use it for other things as well. So I'm just gonna kind of like try to speed through this part. It's self-explanatory. Make sure that your arch is almost perfect or perfect. If you want it to be perfect, make sure you use a spoolie and brush up your eyebrow hairs. You can also use a clear mascara wand and push the brow ears up so that they stay upright and don't come down throughout the day. That's if you have stubborn eyebrow hairs as well. Some people have really like curly eyebrows. The ear does keep on curl. If you use the clear mascara on the eyebrow, it also helps. I've seen people even use bar soap with a spoolie to keep their eyebrows upright. So this is the finished look, and these are my eyebrows. I mean, they may not be twins, but they're at least sisters. My eyebrows don't shape the same way, and I just try to follow the shape of my natural brows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, share with someone who needs help with doing their eyebrows. Leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell on the part that says all. Thank you. Ciao.